Welcome to the Sweet Fashion World. Today I'll be showing us how to make an off-shoulder cowl kaftan, and we'll be needing our office pin, our fabrics, both lycra and chiffon fabric. You can use any type of fabric, any soft fabric for yours. So I'll be needing our scissors, our rulers and chalk. So let's get to work. Firstly, I'm using 3 yards of fabric, but actually I'm supposed to use 3.5 for this, but I want to make use of 3 yards for it, because that's what I have on my phone. So instead of folding it this way, I'm going to fold it like this. I'm folding it per yard. You can see I'll fold into 4, as you can see. So I'm done folding my fabric now, and I'll pin it down with office pin, because I'm using chiffon, and you know chiffon is difficult to work with, so I have to pin it down. So after folding my fabric, you need your round shoulder measurement for this, and your down length, your shoulder to hip, and your shoulder to above the knee measurement. So for this, my shoulder to hip is 23, and my shoulder to above the knee, 2 inches above the knee, is 33. So I'll use this, it's by 60, I'll use this for my length. Then I'll mark out the same measurement I have here. This is 23. To get a straight line. Remember, we are making an off-shoulder cowl kaftan. So my hip is 34 divided by 4. That's 34. Half should be 17. Then that's 8.5. So my knee length, I'm going to mark 8.5 plus 2 inches. That's 10.5. So my new length, sorry, that's my hip. I'm going to mark 10.5. That's 8. My hip plus 2 inches. At the neckline here, I'm going to mark down 5 inches. And at the edge here, I'll mark down 2 inches for my shoulder slant. So yeah, my shoulder roundness is 34. I'm going to pleat the material. I'm going to pleat it to the shoulder roundness. So I'm going to add enough allowance to it for the pleat. Instead of making 34, I'll be using like 46 for my roundness. So I will divide that by 4. That's 11.5. So I'll mark my 11.5. Let me round it up to 12 inches. I hope you can see it. So I will slant my shoulder from that 12 inches. This remaining one, I will use it for my sleeve. That's, I have 13 here. I will use this 13 for my sleeve. Then I will slant it. I hope you can see the line. So from these 2 inches, I'll take out my sleeve, which is 7 inches. This will be for my sleeve here. So I'm going to use my French curve to curve out a curvy line to this place. Don't have a French curve, you can just use your hand to sketch it out. I've got the midpoint of my shoulder, my hip, and my knee length. That's 5.5. So this is the midpoint of between my nail above the nail and my hip line. So from this midpoint, I'm going to curve out my shape to my sleeve, my hand sleeve. So I'll just move it up. So I'll take out my measurement. The measurement I use here, I'll take it out here also. That's 10.5. For free movement, for easy movement, you can just add about 3 inches to it. Then you connect to your above the nail measurement. So I'm going to trace it. I'm going to cut it out now. Sorry about that. So I'll just cut it out. Make sure you pin it down. If you are using a very light material like chiffon, make sure you pin it down. So trim out the neck area. How it looks, and I will fold my fabric. This side is very stretchy. This side is not stretchy. If you are using a very stretchy material, I will advise you to cut below your sleeve roundness. If your sleeve roundness is like 34, you can cut 30 because the fabric is very stretchy. But if you are using very little stretchy material, you can just cut your actual measurement. You don't need to add any allowance to it. So for this, I will be cutting 30 for my sleeve roundness. So I'll be using 3 inches for the length. So you fold it into two like this. After folding into two, you fold again Make it fold because it's going to be unfold when you are sewing it. So I'll just mark out. I'll be using 3 inches. So I'll cut the edges away. So I'll cut 15 inches. Remember it's on fold, so that's 30. When I open it, will be 30. Sorry, I don't have a lighter shade of color. Please move the camera. So I'll cut 15. Then I'll mark my 3 inches. I will use half an inch to join it to my fabric. So that will be 2.5. So I will just cut it out. You can use any stretching material. So you can see, this is my 30 inches now. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll take it to my machine. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll take it to my machine and sew the sleeve line. I'll sew here. Then I will leave my round sleeve open. I will leave it. Then I will sew down. I will do that for both sides. Then after joining that, I will pleat this part to my round shoulder measurement. This one I've cut out. I will pleat it out. I will join this side too. Then I will pleat it to it. This is for the front and this is for the back. So I'll pleat it and pleat like this. Remember after joining, then you pleat it. You get the midpoint so that when you get to this, so I will just pleat it. I will pleat it round to this side. I will pleat this side. After joining the split, I will pleat it to my round shoulder measurement. So that's all about Cowl Kaftan. Stay safe.